friends, Namaskar. I welcomes to you all in my channel Physical Education and Yoga Mantra. Now friends, today I will tell you about this obesity. Okay, obesity, its symptoms, causes and preventive exercise and preventive actions. Okay, so my dear friends, first we should know what is the obesity. Actually, obesity it is the excess accumulation of fats in our body and resulting resulting increased body weight. Okay, it means जैसे ही हमारी बॉडी के अंदर जो फैट की जो क्वांटिटी है वो ज़्यादा एकदम से इंक्रीज होने लगती है, then it will excess quantity and we feel uncomfortable to perform physical exercises. Okay, so symptoms for then how we can identify the person is affected from this obesity. Actually, it leads many health problems like cardiac problems, respiratory problems, and person is not performing physical exercises, feeling laziness, okay, and feeling tiredness. So we can identify that person is affected from obesity. Okay, so what is the causes? Mostly the causes of this obesity, that not performing physical exercises, following sedentary lifestyle, okay, eating alcohol, drinking alcohol, eating lot of fried food or oily food. When the person eat lot of fried food or this junk food, then it help to get deposit this fat in under the skin in various body parts. Okay, mostly it deposited on the stomach, on the buttocks, shoulder, and thighs. Okay, so how we can reduce it? So for that we have to perform some warming up exercises. Warming up exercise will help to increase your body temperature, and when your body temperature will increase, then it help to reduce your this fat. Okay, so first that we have to perform some warming up exercises. Now let's do jumping exercise on the spot, jumping exercise, then run on the spot. First you have to perform this warming up exercises, it's compulsory. Then next, according to your capacity you can perform it. Take a breath. Okay, now friends, mostly this fat is deposited in our stomach, buttocks, okay, and thighs. So for that you have to perform must this best twisting exercises. See, now next you have to perform Trikona asana. Okay, some asanas that's also prevent you for obesity. You have to stand straight while spreading legs. Then you will spread your arms sideward. Then you will touch your right hand's finger with left leg fingers, or you will touch thumb of left leg, and this hand will be upward. You will look upward. This is called Trikona asana. Then you will come back. Yes. Now, some asanas we will also perform for preventive asanas of this obesity. Ma'am, please you also come. Now, friends, first we have to perform Vajrasana. Okay. I want to first you have to sit in straight leg. Then you will fold your one leg. Fold your one leg. Then another leg. Then you will sit on both the legs. Your hands should be on the knees. Backbone should be straight, and this neck should be also straight. And take deep breath. Now, friends, I want to tell you about this Vajrasana. Vajrasana, it is the वन आर्म ऑफ आर गॉड्स इंद्र। इंद्र देवता का एक जो अस्त्र होता है उसका नाम होता है वज्र। नाउ एट द एंशिएंट टाइम when this Rakshas was there and Rishimuni was there, it is made by the bones of महर्षि दधीची। ओके, महर्षि दधीची की जो बोन की हड्डियां थी, ये जो वज्र है उसके उससे बना हुआ है एंड इट्स पास वेरी पावरफुल। ओके, जो एक राक्षस था जिसको कि इजीली उसको मारा नहीं जा सकता था, उसको सिर्फ ये वज्र के द्वारा ही मारा जा सकता था। तो इट मीन्स when you will perform this asana, you will also help to increase your strength and it will help to digestion, it will help to reduce your obesity. Okay, so please perform at home. Now next, and please come, we will perform Paschimottanasana. For Paschimottanasana you have to sit in leg straight because this pressure will come on the stomach. Okay, so you have to perform Paschimottanasana. After sitting leg straight, we will spread our hands, arms sideward, then keep it slowly upward, then slowly bend down forward and exhale. सांस को बाहर निकालेंगे and hold some time and according your capacity you have to perform. Come back. Next, we will perform Pavan Muktasana. Okay, Pavan Muktasana. It's also help to reduce gastric problems. First, you have to lie on the back, palm facing upward, hands should be in a side. Then we will fold our legs. Then we will make hand lock and lift your neck. Try to touch your chin with the knees. Just come back. Take deep breath. Now here we will perform Halasana. Halasana. It's also when we will perform this Halasana, our body will come in the shape of Hal. So for that we have to lift our legs. Halasana. Slowly we will keep down back. Yes, come back slowly. Take deep breath. While performing asanas, your breath should be in your control. There is no up and down. Normal breathing should be there. For that, you can twice you can inhale or exhale. Now next, we will perform Bhujanga Asana. Okay, Bhujanga Asana. So for that, first you have to come on the stomach and keep your hands in a side. Little bit you will take support from the hands. Slowly raise your this upper body part and it should be above from the navel point. When you will come in this posture, it look like a cobra pose. Okay, cobra, that's why it is called Bhujang Asana. Now it's very helpful for increasing flexibility also. Now please come down. Yes, come back. Next, we will perform Ardha तस्येंद्र आसन. ओके, फॉर दैट यू हैव टू सिट इन स्प्रेड लेग. पहले पैर फैला के बैठ जाएंगे, उसके बाद में आप जो लेफ्ट लेग है उसको क्रॉस करेंगे, फोल्ड करेंगे. फोल्ड योर लेफ्ट लेग, then keep your right over to left, then this hand will be in a cross this way, and you will see at the back, just see, just come back. You have to perform it from both the sides. Now please perform from another side. Just see, it's very beneficial for increasing flexibility. It's very beneficial for reducing body weight and reducing this fat from the stomach and buttocks. Yes, please come back. Now friends, next you have to perform Kapalbhati pranayam and Surya Bhedan pranayam, Surya Bhedi pranayam. Okay, Kapalbhati pranayam you know very well. For that you can sit in Padmasan, Vajrasan, or you please once you perform that Yoga Mudra. Okay, Yoga Mudra, it's also very effective. Yoga Mudra. Uh, okay, because this problem occur in our body when the or unbalanced is there in pancreas. Okay, unbalanced in thyroid or thyroxine or insulin hormone. It means these two hormones is disturbed in our body, then it will have to that increase in body weight. Okay, so we have to control that, and sometimes it is a problem is also come in body hereditarily. Okay, now please perform this yoga mudra. It's called yoga mudra. It's because pressure is on the stomach, so it can be help to reduce this fat of the stomach and fat of the buttocks. Please come back. Now friends, in Padmasan, you will first you have to sit in Padmasan, then you will keep your hands at the back, then slowly you will bend down forward. That is the Yoga Mudra. Okay, now we will perform some pranayams, mostly this Kapalbhati pranayam and Surya Bhedi pranayam. It's very effective. Okay, so first we have to perform Kapalbhati pranayam. Kapalbhati pranayam, inhaling and exhaling fastly. Okay, forcefully and very faster. Okay, so now let's start. Inhale, and according your capacity you can hold your breath, then exhale. Now next, Surya Bhedi pranayam. Surya Bhedi pranayam, you will inhale from right nostril, exhale from left nostril. Okay, inhaling from right nostril, holding according your capacity, then exhaling from left nostril. Okay, according your capacity and according your time, you have to increase these repetitions of Surya Bhedi pranayam. Okay, so now let's start. First, we will take breath from right nostril. Then close right nostril, holding the breath inside. Then exhale from left nostril. Again we will inhale from right nostril, holding. Exhale from left nostril. Then twice thrice exhalation and inhalation for controlling your breath. Okay, Okay, now friends, continuously I will provide you various videos related to our health, yogasans, and physical education. Okay, and this curriculum of class 11, 12, that is related to physical education, that will also be provided with the help of videos. So please like and subscribe our these videos, and please give your views. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.